Melissa.
Yes, Sarah.
Do you know which lesson Ms.Hamsty explained today?
I guess she will talk about verb to be this lesson.
Wow. It will be an interesting lesson.
Yes.
Good morning, my dear students. How are you today?
We are good, Ms.Hamsty. Thanks.
Today, we are going to recognize one of the most important verbs in English, which is verb to be. Verb to be is a verb used to describe someone or something. The most common use of verb to be is to talk about names, ages, nationalities and professions, especially when you are talking in present simple. Now, I want you to welcome our new friends.
Mr. M. Mr. is. Mr. R.
Now, everyone will tell us about their friends, which we call them pronouns.
Hi, my name is M. I have only one friend, and I can't be with anyone else. My friend is I. So, you can say, I am. For example, I am happy. Hello! I am is. I have only 3 friends. And you can't see me come with any other friends. My friends are he, she, it. You can say he is, she is, it is. For example, he is a teacher. She is a tall girl. It is a black cat. Hello! My name is R. You can see me with many friends. I love people, so my friends are they, you, we. You can say, we are. They are. You are. For example, we are in grade 3. They are students. You are a smart boy.
Thanks, our dear friends. Now, who can tell me more about the negative form of verb to be?
Am not. Is, isn't. Are, aren't.
For example, I am not angry. She isn't a doctor. We aren't from Thailand.
Very good, my kids. I hope you enjoy this lesson. Wait for us for more videos and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive all the next updates. Thanks. Bye.